So first, you're going to grab some grease-proof paper. This is the type you use in baking. It's very thick, and you're going to lay out the combination of colored straws you want, obviously. Put another sheet over top, set your iron on high, and also make sure that steam is off, otherwise it's totally going to screw with how you iron it out. It won't iron out as flat. And once you're done with that, flip it over again so it irons out all through. It should be super smooth when you open it up. Fix out all the little creases or anything that hasn't really touched, and be careful because the iron is hot, so always have parent supervision. Once it's warm, you're going to peel them off and then make another one if you want to. Next up, grab some double-sided tape. Double-sided tape, one side of it, preferably the more unappealing side. And then what you're going to do is add in something soft so it doesn't scratch against your neck. I use the greaseproof paper because it's very soft after you iron it. Put some holes through the end of it and smooth out the edges and attach some string. If you have a better clasping method, you can do that. This is what the choker ended up looking like after I was done. I just tied it up at the back. If you have a better clasping method, you can use that. And then I put them on a nice sheet of cardboard which I covered in some paper, tied them all at the back and wrapped them up, and there you have your first Christmas present for the year. Merry Christmas!